Okay, so you're gonna receive a vinyl stickers and transfer film. So before installation, you need to carefully peel back the backing paper from the transfer film. It's not an easy task, but you have to do it because transfer film is used to apply the vinyl sticker to the desired surface. So you just do that, and then you align the horizontal line on the transfer paper to the middle of the sticker and press on. Carefully so there's no wrinkles. Now you have to kind of flip it upside down, take your least favorite credit card you have the most balance on, joking, and basically press the transfer paper a little harder on, like basically push them all together, and then you kind of try to peel back the white paper just like so. So once you feel it goes away, then you gotta go into the car and we will continue the installation. So once you're in the car, you have to remove the vinyl backing paper. So the sharp angle, you go slowly, make sure that the stickers they remain on the transfer paper. You can go slow, you don't want to go too fast. Just like so. Now we have a last one right here. If it rises from the transfer paper like this, you just put it back, and then you're just gonna continue until you're done. So this angle should go to the bottom. So first you gotta align the stickers to the top of this little line, so the stickers will cover them. So we're gonna start from the left side, and you're just gonna put it on, and again you go slow, and once you're happy with the alignment, you're just gonna push on the stickers. You can use credit card or your finger, and then you slowly remove transfer film again at a sharp angle, just like that. Okay, and at the end you can kind of push them a little more and just leave them be. Needless to say that those stickers, they need to be exposed to the light, to the sunlight. So if you installing them in your garage in the evening, they may not illuminate. So you'll need to wait till next evening, drive the car and stuff like this. That's all, folks. Enjoy.